Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to build a custom PowerPoint template in roughly 5 minutes. Whether you want your slides to look unique or simply wish to save time with a preset design, crafting your own template is a powerful way to enhance your presentations. Let's begin. First, launch the Microsoft PowerPoint application on your computer. Most people are familiar with this step from school or professional work. Once the software is open, you are ready to start personalizing your project. Next, you need a file to serve as your base. You can either select a previous presentation you have already developed or start fresh with a blank one. If you use an existing file, ensure it features a layout or design you intend to use again later. With your file ready, it is time to modify the visuals. Head to the Design tab located at the top of the screen. This area is essential for adjusting how your slides look. Click it to browse through various themes and background options provided by PowerPoint, which will act as your foundation. Pay close attention to the small drop-down arrow within the Themes group. This tiny icon is your gateway to deeper customization. Clicking this arrow opens a variety of styles that you can use as is or edit to fit your specific requirements. After selecting a theme and fine-tuning elements like color palettes, fonts, and visual effects, you need to finalize your work. Look for this Save Current Theme option at the bottom of that same drop-down menu. This step is vital because it stores all your custom settings into a template for future use. When you click Save Current Theme, assign it a name that is easy to remember or relevant to your work. Once saved, this theme becomes a template you can apply to any new project, ensuring a consistent look while saving you effort. This process is important for more than just aesthetics. It is about branding. A cohesive design helps professionals maintain a signature style for clients and colleagues, making your work instantly recognizable. To make your template even better, try using a specific font that matches your brand identity. Typography can change how your message is perceived. You should also consider adding your company logo or a specific color palette. These minor details make your slides truly yours. Before finishing, remember that the ideal template is one that works for you. So feel free to experiment with different layouts and tools. PowerPoint offers many features to make your work both efficient and attractive. That concludes our quick tutorial on making a PowerPoint template in 5 minutes. A great presentation relies on both quality content and visual appeal. A custom template sets the right tone and makes your message more impactful. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you produce professional, high-quality slides. With your new template, you are prepared to impress your audience through both your words and your visual design. Enjoy your presenting.